This is a tutorial for FPRU, just in general, anything you can think of. Just something as simple as finding how to do a scheme ID to finding the old tracks, anything that I've seen requested in the past. So of course, you load into the main area at Daytona. Could be any track, but for the classic tracks, you have to go here. You have all their tracks that they've added so far. This is 2024. They've added all of these. All you simply have to do, go here on that, step on that. You don't have to do that, but you can. Do here. Back here. Just come over here. And if you see this, if you can find this building right in the middle, this should have all the old tracks that have not been added to the... Well, no, Pocono I'm pretty sure has been added. But other than that, all these are the old tracks that have not been added yet or updated yet to the new edition, at least, of FPRU. Another thing that's commonly asked is, how do I get a scheme or my own scheme into the game? You should have this box here. It says Asset ID at the bottom of your screen. Spawn just any car. Get whatever ID you had. Me personally, I have a Chevy for the scheme I'm going to put in, so you will want a Chevy. If you want a Dodge, it should have a Dodge. Of course, so on and so forth. So, just go down here, do that, Control V for copy and paste. Put that in, and there's my scheme. That's all you have to do. Now, if this doesn't work, or if this happens, and the car just goes blank, either the car has not been confirmed by Roblox, so to speak, verified, or it's allowed, or some other glitch or error that you probably could just re-upload it and it would work. And other people, you have to get this game pass right here for custom schemes. I don't have it, but I bought game passes in the past. So since I bought a game pass in the past, this was automatically given to me. Here you can see you need the asset ID. So now I'll move on to the segment where I'll show how to get the asset ID. Because, and again, so many people ask, how do I do this, how do I do that, and it just gets annoying sometimes. So what you want to do, go to your browser. It can be any browser you want. It could be Opera, it could be Chrome, Bing, anything. You go to this website, Photopea, which for simplicity, I'll just go photopea.com. That's the link. Do open from computer. You should have a base car here somewhere. It is Chevy HR 2004. 2003 is the old one, and Chevy HR is the old one too. So just do this. Open. Move these out of the way. I don't even know what these are for, actually. And once you have this open, let's just put any number. We'll just use this and put a 47 on the side. Make that big. Put it on the side. It's just a tutorial, so it's not like it's gonna be good or anything. Overlay it to this. Could change these to white. And that's all it takes. Literally took me under 5 minutes to make this. So if you want just a simple scheme like this, just put your name on the side, number, whatever, little logo I found, just anything like that. Now, when you're exporting, remember to turn the car mask off. You need to turn this off. So many people don't do this, and it ruins the whole car. You go like this, save as a PNG, export it as a PNG, save it as YouTube video test car. Just do like that. Now when you're here, go back to Roblox, go to create roblox.com, go to creations, go to development items, decals, go to upload asset, press upload, press this, just make sure, name it whatever you want, doesn't really matter, then press upload. Now once you've done that, you go to your home page, go to Roblox Studio. Now once you've gone in the studio, go into just base plate, really doesn't matter where you go into. Go let this load. Okay, it's already here. So you start off usually in here. You'll go to here to your inventory. Go from my models to my images. Click this. Come over here, down here, not here, right here. This should be here. Press on that. Just select just that. Just this number is all you need. Control C for copy. Now load back into FPRU. Once you're loaded into FPRU, go to the teleport to current selected track. Don't want to get copyrighted. Go to spawn, vehicles, just any Chevy. Go here, Control V, enter, and boom. Now my car that I made is on here. It's that simple. You can add spoiler colors if you want designs on the back. If you want this to be brighter, if you want this different, anything. You can change all that, all to fit however you like it. So now making pit boxes is a little bit different. You won't find something here for a pit box. Again, you have to have the Game Pass. This Game Pass here, which I had to buy. It's a custom pit box Game Pass, so it'll go along with your car, whatever it is that you want. So I already have one loaded up that I'll show you. Simply, all you have to do if you have the custom pit box Game Pass is go onto the pit box, go here into the chair. Go into the chair. This should pop up if you have it. Go click on it, Control V with the ID, however you get the ID like I just told you. Apply it, and now you have a pit box. This is pit box for a different league, but this just shows you can put sponsors on it, contiguous, all that kind of stuff. You have your little pit cart sign. And another one I did is down here. This is a lightning bolt from my Interstate Batteries car. So you could do almost anything with these custom IDs. It's very simple, just as simple as that to figure out, and just simple to do like that. So anytime now that you need to know what to do, whenever you're in game and you don't know how to upload an ID, or you don't know how to upload a car, or you don't know how to upload a pit box, there should also be a pit box file that you can go into Photopea and open and edit on your own. So if you want a tutorial for Photopea 2 on how to make a car, I can do a full-length tutorial like that where I don't have any cuts or anything in it. But you'd have to request that down in the comments below. Please like for the next video, and goodbye.